In this video, we learn about expansion of algebraic expressions. Example 1. Expand and simplify. 2y open bracket 5y minus x close bracket minus 3x open bracket 5x minus 2y close brackets. Solution. So we first have to distribute these guys, right? So this guy will multiply this and this will multiply that, right? Likewise, this will multiply this and this will also multiply that. Thus, we are going to have 2y times 5y, right? So that's going to give us 10y squared. Then we have 2y times minus x. So that's going to give us minus 2xy. Now here we have minus 3x times 5x, right? So that's going to give us minus 15x squared, right? So we have minus 15x squared. And here we have minus 3x times minus 2y plus 6xy, right? Now let's see if we have like things in here. So we have y squared, and that's the only y squared in here, right? So we have xy, we also have xy. So we have two like terms in here, and we only have one x squared term in here, right? So let's group like terms. So you're going to have 10y squared minus 2xy plus 6xy minus 15x squared, right? Then we can now add these like terms. Thus we have 10y squared. Now minus 2 plus 6 is going to be plus 4, right? So we have 4xy, then minus 15x squared. Hence 2y multiplying 5y minus x minus 3x 5x minus 2y is equal to 10y squared plus 4xy minus 15x squared. This is our solution to question number 1. Example 2, we have to expand and simplify this expression, right? So here we have 6p squared times 2q plus 3p minus 5q squared minus 4p minus 5q, right? And so we have to distribute the terms. So this will multiply this will also multiply that, and this will multiply this, and this will also multiply that, right? 6p squared times 2q is equal to 12p squared q, then plus 6p squared times 3p is going to give us 18p cubed. Now here we have minus 5q squared times minus 4p, right? So minus minus is going to be plus, and 5 times 4 is 20. So we are going to have plus 20p q squared. And also we have minus 5q squared times minus 5q. So we are going to have minus minus, which is going to be plus, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 25 q cubed, right? And so we group like terms as we did in the first example. So let's see if we have some like terms in here. So here we have p squared q, and there is no p squared q term in here. We have p cube, and there is no p cube term here. So then our result is just 12p squared q plus 18p cube plus 20p q squared plus 25q cube, right? Example 3. Expand and simplify this expression. Solution. The expression is giving us 3a squared times 2a minus 4b plus 2b 5a squared minus 3b squared minus a squared plus 6b. As we've seen in the first two examples, the first step is to distribute these guys, right? So we are going to have this multiplying this times that, and also this times this, and this times that, right? And so here we have 3a squared times 2a. So 3 times 2 is 6, and a squared times a is a cube. So we are going to have 6a cube, and also 3a squared times minus 4b. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. So we're going to have minus 12 a squared b. Likewise here, we are going to have 2 times 5 is 10. So that's we're going to have plus 10 a squared b, and 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So we have minus 6, then b cubed, because b times b squared will be b cubed, right? And likewise, minus a times a squared is going to be minus a cubed. And also minus a multiplying 6b will be equal to minus 6ab. Our next step is to group like terms, right? So here we have a cube, we also have a cube, right? So these two guys are like terms. And also here we have a squared b, and we also have a squared b, right? And so these two guys are like terms. And this is b cube, but we don't have any b cube term in here. And also we don't have a b term in here, right? So these are the only like terms, right? So now let's group the like terms and see what we're going to have. Thus we have 6a cube minus a cube, then minus 12a squared b plus 10a squared b minus 6b cube minus 6ab, right? So adding these two guys, 6 minus 1 is going to be 5, right? So we have 5a cube, and also minus 12 plus 10 is going to be minus 2. So we have minus 2a squared b, then minus 6b cube minus 6ab, right? Hence our solution is given below. Example 4. Expand and simplify the expression given below. Solution. So here we have the expression to be 4x squared y multiplying 3x minus 2y minus 2xy squared, then 5x plus y plus 3y cubed x minus 4, right? So as we did in the first three examples, we have to distribute the term in front of the bracket, right? So here these guys will multiply each of these guys. So here we have 4x squared y multiplying 3x. So that's going to give us 12x cubed y, right? And also we have 4x squared y times minus 2y. So 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. So that will be minus 8x squared y squared. Also here we have minus 2xy squared times 5x. Minus 2 times 5 will be minus 10. And then we have x squared y squared. Then minus 2xy squared times y. So that's going to give us minus 2xy cubed. Likewise, this guy we are going to have 3y cubed times x. So that's going to give us plus 3y cubed x. And here we have 3y cubed times minus 4. So that's going to give us minus 12y cubed. So we now group like terms. And so here we have x squared y squared. We also have x squared y squared here. And we have xy cube. We also have xy cube in here. And these are the only like terms, right? And so we are going to have 12xy cube. Now when we subtract these two guys, so we have minus 8 minus 10, that's going to give us minus 18 x squared y squared. And we also have minus 2 plus 3, so that's going to give us plus 1. So we have plus x y cube, then we have minus 12y cube in here, so that will be minus 12y cube, right? And so this is our solution to question number 4. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.